If you think of our great grandparents, they used to make these pickles and they used to eat it throughout the year. They never had refrigerators or anything. These pickles are the reasons our stomachs used to be really healthy. For making these mango pickles, they used to follow strict rules. They used to pluck the mangoes, they used to soak these mangoes in water overnight. That gives them a nice firm texture and also it cleans the outside because they need to store these pickles for over a period of 1 year. Nowadays, I rarely make the pickles that we store it for 1 year because even mangoes are available throughout the year and you can make the mango pickles every month. And especially in our homes, the first month everybody loves to eat the pickles, then they shy away from the pickles, but the leftover pickles are wonderful for making various things. Like whenever I'm having raita, I add some curd, take some pickle and add it. And many times what I do even today, on the yogurt, I add some pickle and add bundi to it and eat it. I just love it. So today we're going to make this pickle. It is very easy. Make sure cut the pieces and they need to be dry. You need to take a cloth, dry cloth and just wipe dry. After that, we're going to make a mixture in which we're going to add it with the mango pieces to make it very easier.
So first we are going to add oil.
Oil, that's around 300 ml. So everybody has their own little secrets. So some people, they add the pieces to the oil.
In this bowl, we'll add 250 grams of chili powder,
250 grams of salt, around 125 grams of mustard powder, little bit of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, freshly crushed garlic. A lot of people, they use ginger also. Now add the pieces of mango and I'll keep mixing them. Avakaya mana andaride veye veye veye. Mix all these pieces. Finally, the oil, just pour on top of this. Garlic, add to this.
Yes.
That's all. The pickle is ready. Just leave this covered and tomorrow morning all the juices will come out and all the pieces will soak in. So always make sure, little extra salt is there in the pickle. Exactly after 24 hours, you can see how the oil is coming out of this mixture. After another 24 hours, the oil will slowly come out and the juices from the mango also will come out and you will have the fantastic pickle. In the comments, write down your first memory of eating fresh pickle at your home, at your grandparent home or wherever it is. There are many biryanis and people have been so creative when they are making these kind of biryanis and especially some of the fantastic chefs, you call them cook chefs, in a small restaurants they make these recipes. Today's biryani is such that it is called avakaya biryani, avakaya chicken biryani. So for this, we're going to take chicken and then we're going to mix it with pickle and we're going to make this biryani. Here I've got two kind of mango pickles. One is, it is grated mango pickle. And this is, so for making this, take the chicken pieces. In this, we're going to add grated mango pickle. This is what is going to coat the chicken. When I was studying my hotel management and we went for training in a 5-star hotel, with the biryani, they always used to give mango pickle and papad. And I used to think, why pickle with papad? And today you see, pickle chicken biryani itself has become so famous. In this, now we're going to add chili powder, ginger garlic paste and other masala powders. You can use biryani masala, but I'm going to use coriander powder, a little bit of cumin powder and some garam masala powder. And in this, we're going to add some coriander leaf, green chili and also some brown onion. Squeeze in some lemon juice and usually we add a lot of mint. But today, we're going to use curry leaves for this biryani and add oil. Now, mix this. So, the pickle flavor and everything is with the chicken and add salt with the chicken. Of course, we're going to add yogurt, but I'm going to show you how to add. At the bottom, all the chicken pieces will cover the bottom. On top of this, we're going to pour the yogurt. So, the masala doesn't get diluted, the pieces will get all the flavor and also some of the yogurt flavor will be there. But the masala pieces will be perfect. And when you eat it, you should actually feel that avakai flavor, that mango pickle flavor. And on the rice, we're going to do that extra punch of flavor.
எங்க தல வாஷஃபே சூப்பரா பண்றாரு பிரியாணி.
Now the marination is all done and this is perfect. So you're going to cook the rice and you're going to tell them how to cook the rice. You don't need me here, okay?
Now I am going to teach the perfect rice. This is the old age rice. Age old rice like wash of age. మీరు వచ్చి సాల్ట్ వేస్తారు.
వేసుకో నువ్వే.
సాల్ట్ వాటర్ అని
నువ్వే
చెప్తారు.
చెప్పు.
ఓకే.
అక్కడ స్మైల్ రా.
Add
చాలా
salt.
ఎక్కువ సాల్ట్, చాలా ఎక్కువ వద్దు. Now add salt. వాటర్ చెక్ చేయరా. సరే నువ్వే టేస్ట్ చేయి. ఇక్కడ నో సీ లైక్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేస్ట్.
நீங்க கொஞ்சமா போட்டுக்கிட்டீங்க. எனக்கு நிறைய ஊத்துறீங்க.
Okay, throw that spoon away now.
Okay. And whole garam masala.
Whole garam masala.
Whole garam
You can add bay leaf, cardamom, clove, everything. And you have to add.
Okay.
So now add some oil.
Okay.
And now add rice to this. So into the hot boiling water, add the rice. How many glass bowls did you break in the studio so far?
1, 2, 3.
No, your fingers are not enough.
7.
So far, he must have broken more than 20 glass bowls here in the studio. And, now bring this to a nice boil. And because the chicken is raw, we're going to cook the rice till it is 70% done. And I'm going to show you what is 70% today. So we're going to show you the rice. So look at this. From the boiling here. So the rice, I can't even press. It is hard. If I press, it will break. So this rice is only 40% done. And you can see that the rice edges are getting transparent. And yes, still they will break once you press it. Now this is 60% done and another 10% and you will have a perfect rice. Now you can see the rice. This is almost 70% done. The rice doesn't break easily and it will get kind of mashed. This is 70% done. But take this rice, but still it is raw. When you eat it, you will see it is very raw. Now put the rice. Always rotate the vessel and add so that the rice spreads evenly. The moisture, the curd that is there, that will help this rice cook further. Some of the moisture from the chicken also will come, and when this is done, you will have a perfect biryani.
Talaiva, why is rice red color? Yeah, this is everything.
Remove your specs now.
Wow, white color.
Okay. So, in this, we are going to add the pickle. So, already we marinated the chicken with the pickle, and now, if the pickle often is eaten with what? Ghee. So, Mani, go, put your ghee. So, just pour it. Okay, usually the bigger pieces of pickle if you add, it will be great. Some of the pickle oil also on top. We added pickle, the right quantity, that it gives a very nice taste, but not overpower. This guy is overbearing on me now. Add some brown onions. Put that water. See, you can also do the dum. Now, after more than 30 minutes, you got to see, my God, the aroma is just outstanding. And the rice, now I want you to see the 100% cooked rice. Look at the way each grain is perfectly cooked. And the size of the grain also became very long. So now this rice, when you press, it has to become a paste. But on cooking, it should remain as individual grains. This is perfect. Wow. Look at these pieces. So just aerate the rice little bit, put the lid on and let's serve the queen. It is nice, breezy, and you get the chicken leg to start with Queen Victoria. And always, with Queen Victoria, I'm very, very
particular about pieces.
Look at this beautiful rice, and the chicken is so perfectly cooked. Aroma that is here is just outstanding. When it is nice and breezy, so hot biryani is a thing to eat. Queen Victoria. So here is my mango. The chicken pieces so perfectly soft and nicely cooked. Very nice, unique, and the way, look at all the beautiful birds saying, Sanjay, enjoy! Sanjay, enjoy! Coo! 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 So these are my bird friends. Right from childhood, I used to do the bird calls. There are two kind of bird calls. One is real birds, and the other one is that bird calls also. I was really good at. Baby, you love onions, no? Little bit of lemon and the onions along with the biryani. So good, so perfect. Biryani this good. You got to ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding. So perfect.
Where is
baby.
money?
Money let tokkale. Okay. So this is a romantic area.
Yeah.
I know money will come. He's got no, you know.
Super.
So,
The perfect avakaya chicken biryani.
I cannot believe you asked Queen Victoria to go and sit inside.
Wait. Okay.
How is it, Dad?
Naka, naka, dandanaka,
Hello?
naka,
So you don't like ding chick ding chick?
danaka, naka, naka, dandanaka,